You're around.
Alright. Fire alarm going off for Common Street. Where's Trent? Hey.
Where are we going? I thought we were going the other way out.
There's two ways out. Where's everyone else going?
May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire alarm reported in the building. There has been a fire alarm reported in the building. Please proceed to the stairways and exit the building. Do not use the elevators.
Morning, everybody.
Stairways and exit the building. May I have your attention, please? May I have
Fire
your
alarm.
attention,
What?
please? There has been a fire alarm reported in the building. There has been a fire alarm reported in the building.
I am recording this, actually. Yeah. I am actually recording the evacuation on my phone. This is what our fire alarm sounds like. Commons 1 doesn't repeat itself like this.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire alarm reported in the building. There has been a fire alarm reported in the building. Please proceed to the stairways and exit the building. Do not use the elevators, but proceed to the stairways and exit the building.
That's fun, right? There's a fire alarm reported in the building. Please use the stairway and exit the building. Do not use the elevator. What floor are we at?
4. This is my first fire alarm.
Mine too, this semester.
Hope somebody's satisfied with themselves, putting their oatmeal in.
If we find out who did it, they're gonna get so messed up. Like, go for it.
Yeah, so many people want to find me. The good thing is, you guys.
Well, this is one way to wake up.
Wow.
I think we're awake, Trent. What do you think? Yeah.
May I have your attention, please?
Second
May
floor.
I have your attention, please? There has been a fire alarm reported.
This is the long one.
There has been a fire alarm reported in the building. Please proceed to the stairway and exit the building. Do not use the elevator.
This is going on YouTube, by the way.
Stairways and exit the building.
My evacuation. I tried to film an evacuation from Commons 1. I got part of it, but I missed a lot of the fun. Being on the 8th floor makes it a little bit more fun to record the evacuation. Yeah. There's an exit door this way. Please proceed to the bus stop and get on a bus.
It wasn't really my choice, it just kind of happened, you know?
Does anyone have an idea who set that off? Because if we find them, they're going to be in a lot of trouble.
Not a clue.
Not a clue. So what's our evacuation area? Where do we go?
You need to get across the street.
Ugh, that's gross. Alright, and that's it for now.
I thought it was one of you guys' alarms, and I was like, please don't.
Oh no, it was a fire alarm. That will wake everybody up in the morning.
You realize that there's now going to be a mad rush for the elevator, right?
Actually, once they reset the elevators, there will be. One time they, when I went into the building, I wish I'd been filming, but like, one time when I went to the building, they actually had the pit open in one of the elevators to check it, and then they have a reset station on the ground, on the lobby level that they used to reset the elevators. And which door are we going into?
Sorry, I wasn't leaving.
Which door were we going into, Sam? Oh, back
I
here?
think they've reset the elevators. Everyone's crammed by it. You guys want to try the steps?
Nope, I'm going to the elevator. I'm going to the elevator. Get me an independent service key and I'll be fine. Yeah. Me too. I'm good, sir. Excuse me. Just tried it.
This week is really interesting because
I'm a little cold.
techniques and like people were crying all over the place.
Well, this tire's a little bit over. We're banking the comments too. This is the post-evacuation aftermath. What bliss.
Black box?
I think we're gonna find out who tripped the fire alarm sometime today. What floor are you on? Oh, it's on.
Yeah.
That was fun, wasn't it? If we find out, he said no, and we'll have to answer us and Jesus. See my roommate, my friend. Hey, God! Good. Every step of the way. First of these.
Yeah.
John took the reservation first one.
Technically, everyone's supposed to take just sit. Go back to bed.
Hello. The elevator's still on fire service?
No, we can use it.
Is that light now?
Yep.
Hey. We'll get an elevator sometime in the next 10 to 20 years.